Mr. Narendra Modi should stand up and have the courage to speak to the youngsters in these universities and tell them why the Indian economy has become a disaster, why it has become a basket case, and why we have the highest unemployment in 50 years. I challenge the Prime Minister right now to go to any of the universities, stand over there without his police, without his infrastructure, and tell the people what he's going to do for this country.
Everyone has underlined that the Indian economy is in shambles, and the government, instead of addressing the economic crisis and taking measures to retrieve the economy from the crisis, it has been taking up all divisive issues.
We have appealed to all the chief ministers, 13 of them, who have declared that their state will not implement the NRC, to also declare that the NPR process will not be followed in the state. We are appealing to the Indian people to strengthen the spirit of resistance by observing 3 important landmark days in appropriate manner, peaceful, and these dates are the first one to come is 23rd of January, the birthday of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. 26th of January, by a public reading and oath-taking on the preamble of the Constitution and all our habitations in the country. And on 30th of January, to uphold Mahatma Gandhi's martyrdom.
पूरे देश में उफान है, लोग बाएं हाथ पे काली पट्टी, दाएं हाथ में संविधान, कांधे पे तिरंगा लेके निकल पड़े हैं सरफरोशी की तमन्ना, उससे आप घबरा रहे हैं। तो ये आधी अधूरी बातें मत कीजिए, आप और आपकी राजनीति डर के साए में जी रही है।